This is Alan Farley from FX Empire. PepsiCo has outperformed Coca-Cola for more than a decade and could hit 200 in coming months. Taking a look back, as you can see, price action has followed this rising highs trend line for more than 7 years. The stock topped out right at that level, actually creating the trend line in February of 2020, a plunge during the pandemic decline, coming down to about a 2-year low, and then struggled to get back to this prior high, first reaching it at the start of 2021, and then pulling back and bouncing once again, creating this cup and handle pattern. Now the stock broke out in the summer of last year, coming back up to this trend line here. As you see, it came back up here, pulled back into about October, returned to it in November, and then spent about, let's see, it's a weekly chart, so spent about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks testing this resistance level. I finally cleared this resistance level, confirming the breakout in December, and has produced very nice gains since then, coming up almost to the 175 level earlier this week. Now, I'm not sure how much higher Pepsi is going to get before it starts to correct. As you can see, on a weekly basis, it's coming up towards an oversold line that's produced reversals in the past. Now, when it turns, it will turn at some point. I think we have a very nice buying opportunity when it comes back to this trend line to test it. Right now, that's about 165, but if you extend it out a couple months, it might be up at 166 or 167. Now, Pepsi pays a pretty nice dividend. It's about 2.5% or so. Now, you add that to any sort of long-term holding strategy, and Pepsi makes a very nice addition to a portfolio or an intermediate trading strategy.